I'm George Ratiu, Manager of Economic Research with Realtor.com. Welcome to October and a season of changing forest colors. This week's economic and housing numbers confirm we are moving toward more balance, even as the road remains bumpy. The Bureau of Economic Analysis released its revision to the second quarter GDP estimate, showing that growth was stronger than initially measured. Highlighting that growth, orders for durable goods rose in August and business investments were strong, even as manufacturing struggles with lingering supply chain bottlenecks. In a sign of bumpiness, jobless claims increased for the third consecutive week. We still have ground to cover to see a full employment recovery. Mirroring employment concerns and inflation, consumer confidence slumped to a 7-month low in September. Americans are feeling more strongly the pressures of higher food, car, and gasoline prices. Real estate markets echoed the economy's bumpy forward momentum. On the upside, contract signings advanced in August, reversing a 2-month slide, as families with school-aged children hurried to close deals before the new academic year and lock in favorable mortgage rates. Realtor.com September housing data indicate that homes are still selling at a quick pace and prices are still rising, but at a more moderate rate. Notably, severe weather in parts of the country led to a decline in newly listed homes, the first slide in new inventory in 5 months. Our recent weekly market metrics showed that price pressures remain contained as we moved into October, an indication that the frenzied pandemic pace from earlier this year is behind us. We expect price growth to moderate, especially as mortgage rates rise. In the wake of last week's Fed announcement about coming monetary tapering, mortgage rates jumped above 3%, leading to a decline in mortgage applications. This week, we also published our list of August's hottest housing markets, which shows buyers seek affordability in small and mid-sized markets with strong economies and quality of life. The list was the most geographically diverse in our time series, a signal that affordability concerns are widespread. Rounding out this week's update and highlighting the rising impact of more frequent severe weather, we also released the results of our national survey of homeowners and found that over half considered natural disasters when choosing their home location, and a third considered selling, moving, or both due to these concerns. Stay well this week, and we'll keep you up to date with more market changes.